I've been a loyal customer of TheBeardClub.com for over a year now, and honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've made for my grooming routine. My beard used to be this frustrating mix of wiry patches, slow growth, and constant itchiness that made me consider shaving it all off more times than I'd like to admit. Then I stumbled across their signature beard growth oil plus vitamin combo and decided to give it a serious 90-day trial. The transformation has been unreal. The oil itself has this rich, woodsy sandalwood and spice scent that's strong enough to notice but never overpowers the room. My wife actually loves when I put it on because she says it makes me smell dangerously good. It sinks in fast, tames flyaways, softens the coarsest hairs, and leaves everything looking naturally shiny without any greasy residue. Pair that with their high-potency beard vitamins, biotin, zinc, vitamin E, and a few other powerhouse ingredients, and I started seeing legit new growth filling in the thinner spots around my cheeks and mustache area, something no other product had ever done for me. Beyond the growth results, their entire grooming lineup feels thoughtfully designed for guys who actually use the stuff daily. The beard wash cleans deeply yet doesn't strip my skin or make the beard feel like straw afterward, and the beard balm provides just the right hold for styling without turning my face into a helmet. I especially appreciate the wide tooth comb and the 100% boar bristle brush they include in most kits. Brushing with the boar bristle actually distributes the natural oils and makes the beard look fuller and healthier almost instantly. Shipping has always been lightning fast, even to smaller cities. The bottles are generous in size, so they last a solid 2 to 3 months, and the subscription option lets me stay stocked without thinking about it. Returns and customer support have been hassle-free whenever I've reached out, which builds a lot of trust. At this point, my beard is thicker, softer, darker in places where it used to look patchy, and I legitimately get stopped by friends and strangers asking what I'm doing differently. The confidence boost alone has been worth every rupee. If you're tired of mediocre drugstore beard products and you want something that feels premium, performs consistently, and actually delivers visible results with steady use, the Beard Club is hands down one of the smartest investments you can make in your look. I'm not going back to anything else. 5 stars all the way.